I'm having a blasty blast. Are we not? AA?
Oh yeah.
We're killing it out here.
5-blade prop is where it's at.
5-blade for the win. Yeah, these guys are out here smashing it right now, man. Got some pros on the tracks. It's crazy. These bikes are extremely nice too. They got their photographer over there today.
We gave the photographer a taste of what FPV looks like.
Yeah, we just had the photographer sit down and take a trip in the goggles, and now I think he wants a piece of what we do. Doesn't take long, man. These guys are just kind of warming up laps right now again. They just ate food, so they're trying not to get all... Wow, yeah, he got some air on that one. Hell yeah, I think I'm about to put up, man. I think I'm about to put up, get some more chase, baby. Okay, we're gonna make the speeder bike chase one of the dirt bikers if I don't throw it here. We're gonna make the speeder bike do some work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Speeder bike life. Right, AA Ron?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna make the speeder bike chase some professionals. This should be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that was rad. Oh, the biker's still on there, no shit. Yo! Wow. Covered in mud.
Oh,
wow. Dude.
thank God for heat shrink, bro.
Yo, that was sick. Yo, look at the size of the quad I just ran into. Dude, I was getting it too, bro. You guys probably can't even see it. Let me wipe off the lens so you guys can see. Wow, it straightened out my guy. He apparently took a little bit of a hit. Let's pull that off there.
Pull the GoPro
Dude,
out.
no way. That was savage.
I broke my only set of bi-blades.
Holy crap, that was awesome.
Everything's good though.
I literally just ran into a 10-inch quad. Bro.
In all of this area, we decided to smack each other.
Bro. I know, right? I was coming in so hot, dude.
Man.
I think my quad's fine. It looks all right. It doesn't look like any damage. I got to change my props.
No damage, huh?
Yeah. Oh my God, yeah, dude. Dude, we wrecked each other, bro. I wasn't exactly a soft hit either. I was coming into a crank turn.
Ah.
Oh, well, that was fun. I don't even know where my button is. I'm ending this lunch with, well, I still have salad coming, but I'm getting the cheese broccoli soup because I heard it's jamming, and a root beer. And what'd you get?
Chicken tenders, straight fried, and broccoli. The opposite of what he got.
Dan's trying to be healthy, Dan. I have to, man. I don't want to die. You guys know how that is. It's totally not as healthy as I was expecting. That is a lot of meat and like no salad. What in the world, dude? Okay, well, all right, I'm gonna eat this.
Good afternoon. Please give your attention to my associate, Agent J. He's going to demonstrate an electro-biomechanical neural transmitting zero synapse repositioner. We call it the neuralizer. Keep it simple, Slick.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.